Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how to create a job directory website using a premium theme. It is not only for the job directory, you can create different types of directories using this premium theme. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the job directory using this theme. This is an example of the job directory that I have created. At the top, you will see the banner. Here you can search for the job. These are the categories that I have created. You can see the different categories. Let's consider marketing. Under marketing categories, there are 9 jobs. These are the featured jobs. So if I go to one of the job listings here, you will see the page of the job listing. This is the title. This is the bookmark option, share option. You can also report the job listing. You can see the description, requirements of the job, preferred skills, the location, the author info. If someone wants to communicate with the author, they can start chatting from here. Here, if I click on it, it will show the profile of the author. In the right hand side, you will see the quick info of this job, the salary, job type, position, address, deadline, and the website of this employer. Now, if someone wants to apply for this job, they can click on apply now and it will open the job apply form. Here you can mention your name, email address, phone number, and other details. You can upload your resume and click on submit application. Once you click on submit application, it will go to the company or the employer who has listed this job. Now let's consider that you want to list the job. You are a company or the employer and you want to post the job listing here. Then you can click on this post jobs option. And I have created 3 different packages for the employer or the company. They can subscribe to any of these packages and they can start publishing their job requirements. So we have 3 different packages: basic, standard, and enterprise. Under basic, you will see they can have 10 listings and one of them can be a feature listing. Feature listing will be shown on the home page. The pricing will be $6.47 per year. You can change these pricing. In the standard plan, we have 25 listings, out of which 3 can be feature listing. Pricing is $12.5 per year. The next option is $25.5 and it is for the lifetime. They can have 80 listings and 10 feature listings. So you can create different types of packages using this theme and you can change the pricing and number of listings that they can use. In this example, I'm going to select basic. So once I select the basic package, I'll get the option to enter the job requirements. So here I'm going to create a new job. I'll show you how does this work. Job title will be, let me enter the details here. Salary will be $2,000. How many positions are there? This will be a freelance job. Monthly payment. This is just a dummy email address. So I need to check these boxes. So I'm going to create a new job listing. Click on save and preview. And it will go to the next page where we can see the listing. Let's click on continue. Now it will ask me to pay for the package. So this is the package that I have selected, 6.47 basic package. And here you will see different types of payment gateways: bank transfer, PayPal, or Stripe. So I can select PayPal or Stripe. So you can integrate different types of payment gateways on your website. So once I make a payment, I will be able to access the dashboard and from there I can add more job listings. So in this package, I can have 10 job listings. Let me show you the theme that I'm going to use for this job directory website. This is the theme that I'm going to use. The name of the theme is Directorist. I'll give you the link in the description box. If you want to buy this theme, you can use my link in the description box. Let me show you the features of this theme. Using this single theme, you can create many different types of directories such as local business directory, restaurant directory, service directory, event directory, real estate directory, ads listing, hotel and apartment directory. So there are different types of directories you can create using this single theme. And it is compatible with different types of page builder. When you install this theme, everything will be created automatically. You just need to customize the theme and it will be ready to use. Let me show you the themes. There are many different themes and it will come in a package. So if you buy any package, all themes and all extensions will be added into the single package. So these are the themes. In this video, I'm going to use this theme, 𝗙𝗔𝗖𝗘𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗞, and I'm going to create the job directory website using this theme. And you will see different themes here for 𝗙place, one listing, a restaurant listing, real estate listing, car listing. It is fully customizable, responsive, and there is a money back guarantee also. Let me show you the pricing. Let's go to pricing here. Now you will see the pricing. For 3 months, it is $59. Pricing for the 1 year is $109. In this, you will get all the extensions, all the premium themes, and all the upcoming products. You can use it for unlimited sites. There will be a priority support, auto updates, and 14 days money back guarantee. After a year, if you want to renew it, it will cost you $99. So now it is not necessary that you need to renew it after a year. Even if you do not renew, it will work. The only thing is that you will not get any update after a year. So if you want updates, you can renew after a year. If you go for 3 months, it will cost you only $59. In this package, you will also get all the extensions, all the premium themes, all the upcoming products for 3 months, and you can use it for unlimited sites. Let me show you the theme again. So it's not just the one theme that you are buying. You are buying all these themes in a single package. So if you want to create a directory listing for the restaurant, you can create that one also. Let me show you my account here under downloads. You will see all the themes are included. This is the theme that I'm going to use in this video, and you will see all these themes are available. So you can create any type of directory website using these themes, and these are the extensions that are also included automatically. So you just need to buy one package, and under one package you will get all these themes. So if you want to buy this theme, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can buy this theme using my link in the description box. So now let's start creating the job directory website.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and this is completely a new installation. I have just installed the WordPress package here, and you can see the default WordPress website here. Let's go to the appearance, and here we are using the default 2023 theme, and we are going to install a new theme here to create the job directory website. Let's go to plugins here. You will see some plugins are already installed when I install the WordPress package here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to deactivate and delete all these plugins. So let's select all the plugins, click on deactivate and apply it. So all the plugins will be deactivated, and we are going to delete all these plugins. So when we install the theme, it is going to install the plugins automatically. So we do not need these plugins right now. So all the plugins are deleted. Now let's go to the website from where we are going to install the theme. So when you buy theme or plugin on this website, you will create an account on this website from where you can download the plugins and themes. Let me go to the account and go to downloads here. And on this page, you will see all the plugins, themes, and extensions that you can download. So out of which we are going to install this theme, the 𝗙𝗔𝗖𝗘𝗕𝗢𝗢𝗞 theme, which is going to create the job directory website. So I'm going to download this theme and save it on the computer. The theme is downloaded. Let's go back to the dashboard of the WordPress website and go to themes, appearance, themes, and click on add new. We have already downloaded the theme, so I'm going to click on upload theme, and I'm going to select the theme file. So this is the theme file. Select the file and click on install now. Click on activate. Now at the top you will see this theme recommends the following plugins. So these are the plugins that we need to install, and you will see the option here to begin installing plugins. So click on begin installing plugins. So it is going to install all these plugins automatically. Select all plugins and click on install. Click on apply. You will see the Directorist basic plugin is also included here. So all the plugins are installed. Click on return to required plugins installer. Now we need to activate them. So select all the plugins and click on activate. So all the plugins are activated. Click on return to dashboard. Alright, so this theme is using Elementor. So it will show the screen of the Elementor. You can close it from here. Now it says welcome to the world of Directorist. Thank you for choosing Directorist. So it is asking you for the basic settings. So let's click on let's go. So this is the setup wizard that we are going through. Recommended pages. So all these pages will be created automatically. So we need all these pages when we create the directory website. Pages are not required, but I'm going to enable all of them. Click continue. Fill out the form to get maps and monetization feature to work right away. OpenSheet, Google. So I'm not going to enable the monetization. I'm going to leave it as it is. Click on continue. Number of listings to import. So it is going to import some dummy listings. So import images also. Click continue. We are on the step 4. Great, your directory is ready. So I'll click on visit Directorist dashboard. So it will ultimately go to the WordPress dashboard also. And here you will see the dashboard of the Directorist. If I go here, you will see themes and extensions that you can use. So all these themes and dashboard you can use. All right, let's go to the home page and let's see how does this look. All right, so this is the home page. Now we are going to import the demo content here. So let's go back to the dashboard. Under tools, you will see the option here, demo content install. Click on it. And you will see the option here, install the demo content. You can also see the live preview. Click on it. And this is going to be the live website. This is how the live website will look. We are going to customize this one. So let's close this one and click on install. Now we are importing the demo content here. And you can see the demo is ready. So you have got the demo content on your website, and this is how your website is going to look. So everything is there. All the pages are also created. You can see the pages here, blog, pages, about us, FAQ, contact us. These are the elements. So we will go through all the settings. This is the contact us page. Click on it. And this is how the contact us page will look. You can customize this one also. If I go here, this is all about the account. If someone wants to post the job, they will need to buy the package to post the listing. From here, they can add the listing. We will go through that also. Go back to home page. Now this theme is using the Elementor page builder, and it is very easy to customize the Elementor website. I have published hundreds of videos on Elementor page builder. You can watch my videos if you want to learn how to use the Elementor page builder. Let's go to the dashboard again. All right, so we are on the dashboard. Let's go to the directory listing here. Now here you will see some dummy listings are already there. So when we import the demo content, it has created some dummy listings, and we can understand how does this work. First of all, we will go to settings, and you will see the basic settings of this theme. This is the option enable multi-directory. If you want to enable multi-directory, you can enable this. Otherwise, you do not need to enable this one. Can user renew listings? Yes, they can renew the listings. So these are pretty basic settings: when to send the expired notice, when to send the renewal reminder. This is for the all listings. Let me go to the website and I'll show you how does this look. All listings. Let's go to all listings here, and we will see the settings. Display header. This is the header. All listings. If you want to change it, you can change the all listing header. You can go to edit page. Here it shows the name of the page, all listings. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. This is the placeholder. You do not need to make any changes here. Leave it as it is. So this page will show all the listings on your website. You will see all the job listings here. Let's go to one of the job. I'm going to open this one. And this is how the single job listing will look. Now this is for the all listings. You will see display header, results found, instant search. It is right now, it is enabled. If I disable it, you will see that this option will go away. Now display filter buttons, filter icon. You will see the filter buttons and filter icons. You can add that here, search filter, clear all. Filter button text, filters, reset, apply. So you will see this is the reset, this is the apply. A to Z title. Right now it shows number of columns 3. You can change it right here. You can see it is using 3 columns. If you want to make it 4, you can make it 4, or you can make it 2 columns. listing order by date. So you can play with these settings. These are pretty basic settings. You just need to go through the settings and you can change the layout of this all listings page. Now this is for the single listing. Disable single listing view. Now if you do not want someone to view the single listing, you can disable this one. Restrict single listing for logged in users. So this is the slug listing slug. You will see the slug here. If you want to change the slug, you can change it from here. Show submission confirmation. So when someone submits the listing, they will see these messages. Now you can customize these messages. Location and category. So it will show the location and category. Listing currency. Right now it is set to USD. You can change the currency also. Map and reviews. You will see the reviews here. Let's go to page setup. So these are the different pages which are already created for all listings. This page is used all listing. This is add listing dashboard page. So these pages are already created. You do not need to create any page. Everything is created automatically. Let's go to search. The search bar title. If I go to home page, you will see the search bar here. So this is the search. User. This is for the user. So we will go through these also. We are going to create a user. We will buy a plan and we will create one listing, and that will give you an idea how does this work. Email. So this is for the email. Right now the name of the website is my blog. So you can change the name of your website from here. You can go to settings and from here you can change the name of your website. Save the changes. And from here, if you want to change the name, you can change the name here. Email, from the email of your business, you can enter your business email here. Admin emails. Notify the admin when any of the selected event happens. So if someone creates an order, it will send an email. Order is completed, new listing submitted, listing approved or published, listing editor. So these are the events when the email is going to be sent to the admin as well as the user. This is for the owner and this is for the admin. You can go to the email templates and from here you can change the email template. Monetizations and enable monetization feature. If you want them to buy the package so that they can publish their listings, you need to enable the monetization. Choose whether you want to monetize your site or not. Monetization features will let you accept payments from your users if they submit listing based on different criteria. We are going to enable it. Feature listing. If you want to monetize the feature listing, if you want to create a package for only for the feature listing, you can enable this one. Gateway settings. These are the gateway settings. You have bank transfer. This is for the offline only. So we are not going to use offline. If you want, you can disable the offline bank transfer. You can simply uncheck it. These are the currency settings. Now here you can go to offline gateways. So this is only for the offline. If you want to add the PayPal or the Stripe, you need to enable the extension. You will need to go for the extension. We will go through the extension also. Personalization. So I'm going to skip these because these are very basic settings. These are the tools. If you want to import listings, you can import from here. If you want to export, you can export the listings. These are the advanced settings. Let's go to the themes and extension here. Now, in order to use the themes and extensions, I'll need to link my account to the Directorist account. So I'm going to add the username and password of my Directorist account. So I'm going to log into the account. Click on connect. And I'm logged into the account. So now I can use all the themes, extensions. So here you will see all these extensions available. So whichever extension you want to install, you can select the extension and install it. So I'm going to look for the PayPal. Social login is there. Okay, here you will see PayPal, you will see Stripe, pricing plans. We need to create some pricing plans. So I'm going to use this one also. Now, these are the required extensions. So we are going to select these. So we have selected these extensions and you will see the required extensions here. So instead of using these extensions, I'm going to select these basic extensions. These are the same extensions, but they are marked as the required extensions. So we will definitely need to install these extensions. So I'm going to select all these extensions and click on install. All right, so all these extensions are installed. So we need to activate them. Select all of them and click on activate. All right, so all the 5 required extensions are installed. You will see the summary here. 5 extensions are activated. 31 extensions are available, 1 active theme, and 14 themes are available. So if you want to install any of these extensions, you can select that one and activate them. Let's install this one also. It is installed. We need to activate this one. Select this one and click on activate. All right, so we have got all these extensions installed. Let's go back and refresh this one. Now let's go back to the settings again and go to monetization. And under monetization, you will see the new options there: PayPal gateway, Stripe gateway. So let's go to the general gateway settings, and you need to select these options, PayPal and Stripe. And this is the basic offline gateway, bank transfer, where you can enter the bank details. So these options are enabled now. Click Save Changes. Now go to PayPal gateway. Here you will need to enter your business account. So I'm going to enter my business PayPal email address here. If you have the PayPal account, you need to enter your PayPal account email address here. Click Save Changes. Go to Stripe gateway. And for the Stripe gateway, you will need to enter the live publishable key, live secret key. So these are the basic settings of the Stripe. You can go to your Stripe account and get these keys. Once you enter the keys, save the changes, and you will be able to accept payment using Stripe. Right, so this is all about the payment gateways. Let's go to the locations. If you want to add locations, you can also add the locations. Right now it shows these locations. So these are the countries where you can run your job directory website. If you want to delete them, you can delete them. Let's go to categories. And you can see all these categories are currently available: automobile, customer service, design, development, electrician. So if you want to add categories, you can add categories for the job listing. Let's see, if you want to add doctor, you can simply enter the doctor here. Slug, leave it as it is. This will be a parent category, and let's make it as doctor's jobs. If you want to add icon, you can simply click on it. Search for the icon doctor now, or let's say medical. So I can use this one. Click done and add new category, and you will see the new category added here. So this is how you can add the new category. Go to tags, nothing is there, so leave it as it is. Go to directory builder. Default listing status. If someone publish a listing, whether you want to review the listing before the listing is published, you can keep it on pending. Once you review the job listing, you can mark it as published. So expiration, the default time to expire the listing is 3000 days. That is more than 9 years. So leave it as it is. If you want to make it 1 year, you can mark it as 365 days. Let's update it. Let's go to add listing form. So this is the listing form. So if someone adds new listing, let me show you. If I go to post jobs, I can see a form. So I can select one of the package here. And this is the add listing form. This is general information. You will see it here. General information. You will see the title, category, tags, excerpt, address, map, location. So under this, you will see title, category, tags, excerpt, address, location. Under requirements, if you go here, you will see requirements. So you can add some requirements, job title. So if you want to delete any of these fields, you can simply delete from here. Preferred skill, job details, salary, everything is there. So you can use them. If you want to add more fields, you can add more fields from here. All right, so when we buy the package, I'll show you how you can fill this form up and how you can create the listing. Let's go back here. Single page layout. This is single page layout. So this is for the single page layout. Let me show you one of the single page layout. This is the single page listing layout. Now, if I go here, you will see the listing title and the application form here. So this is the header actually. You will see the title and the apply now button. In the right hand side, you will see the bookmark, the share button, and the report button. And this is what you see here: bookmark, share, and report. If you want to add something else, you can click on the plus sign. However, there is nothing left. Everything is shown in the header. This is the application form. So these are the elements that you can add here. So I'm not going to add anything here. Let's go to contents, and under contents you will see description, requirements, skill, location. So if I go here, you will see description, requirements, preferable skills, and location. So this is actually the layout of the single listing. If you want to add another field here, you can add another field here. Let's say if I want to add author info, so here I'm going to drag it and drop it here, author info, so it will show the author info. If someone wants to show the live chat, I'm going to select it and drag it and drop it here. Let's update it. And let's go back to the page and let's refresh it. We have added some elements after the location. So let's refresh it. Now after location, you will see the author info that we have added. View profile. If I click on it, it will show the profile of the author or the employer about the company. Employee information will be shown here. Let's go back. And here you will see show chat. So I can click on it. And right now there are no chat. So if there is any chat, it will show the chat here. So I'm going to keep these two fields here. If you want to add other fields, you can simply drag and drop here. So these pages are fully customizable. Let's go to the next option, that is other settings. You will see similar listings. If I scroll down, you will see similar listings. And these are the 4 similar listings. You can customize from here, number of listings to show 5, number of columns 4. So it will show 5 listings in 4 columns, just like this. Custom single listing page. So I'm not going to make it any changes here. So I'm going to keep it as it is. Let's go to all listing layout, create and customize listing card. So this is the listing card. In the right hand side, you will see the listing card. Quick info is the name of this section. You will see it here. And under that you have salary, job type, open position, and address. So salary, job type, position, and address. And below that you have a deadline. So if I go here, you will see the deadline here, and this is the website of the job listing company. So I can, if you want to add something here, you can click on the plus sign and you will see up to 1 item can be added. So only 1 item is already added here. Click on it, and here I can add, let's add category. So we have added category here. So I'm going to update it. Let's refresh it. Alright, so it is not showing it here. However, you will see it at the bottom here. This is the info card. You will see it here. At the top we have title, quick actions. If I go here, you will see the author profile, title. These are the quick actions, salary, category, position, address, deadline, and the category. So this is the listing card for the grid view. This is the grid view at the bottom. So this is the card for the grid view. You can customize this one from here. These settings are pretty basic settings. You just need to play with the settings and you can customize the layout easily. At first, it seems that it is confusing, but when you start playing with the customization, you will come to know which setting is suitable for your job directory website. So let's go to the next option, that is all chats. Right now we have not enabled the chat, so it's not going to show anything. Let's go to pricing plans. Here you can see that there are 3 pricing plans already created. So if you want to edit, you can edit them. So I'm going to edit the basic one. And you will see the settings for the pricing plan. The name of the plan is basic. You can change the name also. Pay per listing, if you want to charge per listing, you can select that option. Or if you want to create a package, you can create a package. Now the price is 6.47. If you want to add tax, you can add the tax. If you want to make it free, you can simply select this option and this listing plan will be free. Plan short description. This is the short description. You can change it. Let me show you the description here. Settings here. So here you can see the plan. The name of the plan is basic. This is basic plan. This is the short description. This is the pricing. If I go here, listing duration 1 year. So this is 6.47 per year is the pricing. If you want never expire, you can select this option and this plan will be one-time fee. Enable subscription, yes. If you want to enable the subscription for this one so that the customer will be paying every year, then you can make it, mark it as yes. Number of listing that you want to allow under this plan is 10. So you will see 10 regular listing and 1 feature listing. So let's go back. 10 regular listing and you will see 1 featured listing. So this customer will be able to post 10 job listings, and out of these 10, 1 can be marked as featured listing. Contact listing owner, this option yes. Contact customer reviews, if you do not want to enable, you can disable it. Claim badge, booking, yes. Live chat, let's enable the live chat for this one also. Mark it as sold, it needs an extension, so I'm not going to use it. Exclude categories. Now here you will see the field configuration. What fields do you want them to use? Title, tag, category. Hide this from pricing plan page. Address, location, map, deadline. So these are the fields that the customer or the user can use for the listing. If you do not want them to use, let's say, salary, you can uncheck it and the user will not be able to enter the salary information in the listing. So this is also pretty basic. You can simply play with the settings and you will be able to edit the pricing plan. So we have 3 different pricing plans here. The first one is the basic one, 6.47, under which user can publish 10 regular listings and 1 featured listing. The second plan is standard, that is 12.5 per year, 25 listings and 3 featured listing. The third listing is $25.05 lifetime. This will be a lifetime fees and user can publish 80 job listings, out of which they can mark 10 jobs as featured listing. So if you want to add another package, you can simply go to the pricing plan and here you can add new pricing plan. Let's go to order history. Here you will see all the orders that are placed on your website. If someone makes a purchase of the package, it will be shown here. These are all dummy orders. Let's go to reviews. If someone publish a review, it will show the review under comments. Themes and extensions, we have already seen that. All right, now let's go to the home page and let's see how we can customize the home page. I'll go to the home page. So as I said earlier, this theme is using Elementor page builder. So if you want to customize the home page, you can simply go to the home page, click on edit with Elementor. So this is how the Elementor editor looks. Elementor is one of the best page builder plugin. I have published hundreds of videos on how to use the Elementor page builder. If you don't know how to use it, you can watch my videos. So on the home page, we have this banner. If you want to change the title, you can simply select that and from there you can change the settings. Let's see, find your dream jobs. This is the title. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. You can select it and in the left hand side, you will see the option to change the settings. Let's say I want to add here. So it shows find your dream jobs here. And this is the subtitle. If you want to change it, you can simply change this content. Now, if I go here, this is the search form. If you want to add another form or if you want to add anything on this banner, you can simply go here and you will see all the basic elements here. Elements. So these are the WooCommerce element. If you have WooCommerce, you can use these elements. These are the theme elements. So let's say I want to add button. So I can search for the button here. And here you will see the button. I can simply drag it and drop it just below here. Let's change the text, contact us. If you want to link it, you can simply put the link here. And this is how it will look. Here we have added the button. If you want to add some text, go here, look for text and you will see the text editor. You can simply drag it and drop it here and you will see the text box here. You can enter the text here. So this is how you can add different elements on the Elementor website. Now let's move on to the next section. This is the titles. You can change it and here you will see the different categories of the jobs. So if I click on this element, you will see edit listing categories. So these are the categories of the listing. So if you want to change the view, you can change it. List view. So this is how it will look. Grid view, style 2, style 1. How many categories you want to show? 12. So it is going to show 12 categories. Let's move on to the next one. This is the title. Below that you will see listing. So these are the featured listing. You will see the featured listings are shown here. So if I click on it, you will see the option to change the settings. Show featured only. So if you want to show only the features, you can select this option. Otherwise you can disable it. Show popular only. Grid view. So this is the grid view. You can use the list view. So this is how the list view will look. Now if you want to show specific category listings, you can simply click on it and from here select the category listing. So only these category listings will be shown here. So I'm going to delete this one. Location, you can sort by location. Now if you want to use this kind of element somewhere on the other page, you can go here, and here you can see under theme elements, you will see the option there, listing categories. You can drag it and drop it here. Let's say I want to show it here. So you will see the categories. Let's delete it. Let's go back. Let's go to Directorist here and let's use all listings. Drag it and drop it here, and you will see all the listings. So this is how you can use different elements to create pages. Delete it. Here you will see listing categories again, listing location, single location. Go to the next option, create account. So this is pretty basic. This is just an icon, the image and the title. So I'm going to delete the content from here. You can simply select it and delete the content. This is the counter, and this is the reviews option. If you want to add reviews, you can add the review. This is the call to action button, and this will show all the blog posts. I have separate videos on how to create blog page in Elementor, how to change the layout of the single post or the single blog page using Elementor. I'll give you the link in the description box if you want to learn how to use the Elementor. Alright, so I'm not going to make any changes here. I just wanted to show you how does this look. Let's close this one and let's go to home again. Now at the top in the menu bar, you will see many different pages listed. So we are going to customize this one. Let's go to dashboard again and go to appearance and then go to menus. And here you will see the same menu. Let me show it again. So this is the menu. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete some options here which are not required. So under listing, we have listing grid view. So I do not want all the other options. So I'm going to delete all the other options and I'm going to use this one at the top. And let's name it as listings. Let's name it as job listings. And I'm going to delete the other options here. The next option is blog. Under blog, we have different options. So I'm going to use this one, blog with sidebar. Let's go to menus and use this one and change the name to only blog. And I'm going to delete the other options. Now the next option is pages. So I'm going to use this about us FAQ. Let's go to menu, change the position of about us to the main menu. We already have the contact us here, so I'm going to delete this one. I do not want FAQ, or let's leave it as it is. I'm going to use this one also. Let's delete the pages 404. Now search listing, so I'm going to use this one. Listing categories. Let's do one thing about this. I'm going to change the name of this one, listing help. And under that, I'm going to use the search listing, listing categories, all listings, and blog also, testimonials. Call to action is not required. I'm going to delete this one, counter, and leave it as it is. All right, so I think this one looks good. I'm going to save the menu. Now let's go back to the website and refresh it. Now the menu looks better than before. We have the called job listings and all the listings will be shown here. You can customize this one also. We have already seen how to customize the listings page. This is for the blog. So we have selected blog with sidebar. This is about us page. Now if you want to customize this page, you can simply go to edit with Elementor and you will see the option to customize page. So you can simply go to the section that you want to edit. Here you can add your own content. If you want to remove this, you can simply remove this. Why choosers, if you want to customize this, you can customize it, otherwise you can remove it. You can change these images, you can click on it, select the new image here. So this is just like editing your WordPress website using Elementor. If you do not want this one, you can simply delete it, update it, that's it. Just go back, refresh it, and you will see it is removed. Let's go to the next one, that is FAQ. So these are the FAQs. If you want to edit, simply go to edit with Elementor, and you will see the option to edit the FAQs. You can click on it, and in the left hand side you will see the accordion that you are going to use for the FAQs. So for the first question, you can change the first question, enter your answer here. Change the second question and enter your answer here. This is pretty basic. Let's close it. The next one is listing help. This is for the search listing. So this is just basically the search form that we saw on the home page. Listing categories. You will see the listing categories on the home page. This is the same listing category. All listings, just like this job listings page. And this is for the blog. We already have it here, so I'm going to delete from here. Save the menu. Let's go to the contact us, and this is the contact page. If you want to edit, you can go to edit with Elementor, enter your address, email address, website, and this is the contact form. So let's go back to the settings, and here go to appearance and go to theme options. All right, so now we are going to customize the layout of the header and footer. So under theme options, you will see the header, and this is the header which is currently used. You have the logo, then you have the menu bar, search box, and post jobs button. So here you will see header search, it is turned on. Then you have search placeholder. This is the search placeholder. Header account, this is for the account. These are the basic required fields, so I'm not going to disable any of them. Add listing button, so this is the add listing button, and the text on the button is post jobs. This is what you see here. Banner, so if you want to turn off the banner, you can turn off the banner. Now let's go to footer, and you will see the display footer area, it is turned on. This is the footer area, it needs to be turned on. Display copyright area, this is the copyright area, and you can customize this one. So I'm going to delete everything from here, and I'm going to keep only the all rights reserved. Save it, just refresh it, and you will see the change here. Let's go to the next option, colors. This is the primary color. You will see this color everywhere. If you want to change the primary color, you can change it from here. This is the banner area, footer area. You will see the footer background color here. This is the footer background color. Divider, footer, title, these are the color settings of the footer. Typography. Here you will see the font settings. You can change the body font, header, H2, H3, everything will be shown here. You can change the font family. Right now it is using Lexend. You can change it, whatever font you want, you can change it from here. This is the layout settings. For the page, we do not need any sidebar. If you want sidebar, you can select the sidebar. For the blog, we have the right sidebar. For the single post, no sidebar. Search layout. Go to directory settings. Show sidebar. Blog settings. Post settings. So these are the basic settings. Let's go to widgets here. Under appearance, you will see widgets. Now, under widgets, you will see the sidebar. So these are the basic sidebar settings for the blog post or for the pages. Let's go to the blog. We have a right sidebar on the blog. All right, so it's not showing the sidebar. So let's enable the sidebar for the post. Let's go to post settings. Let's go to layout settings, go to post single, and let's add right sidebar, save it, refresh it. So you will see the right sidebar. In the right sidebar, you have recent post, then tags. So if I go here under widgets, you will see recent post. And if you want to add something else in the sidebar, you can select the required widget and add that in the sidebar. The next one is footer. So you will see the footer here. So we have got 4 columns for the footer, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the first column, we have this option here. So let's go to the widgets. In the first column, we have about. So this is the logo. I'm going to, if you want to change it, you can simply upload your own logo. So I'm going to upload the logo here. So I'm going to change that one. So I'm going to select logo, select it. You will see the new logo here. Save it. And below that, you have the download app option. This is the widget actually created by the 𝗙𝗟𝗞𝗘 themes. So you can add your app URL. This is for the Play Store and this is for the Google Play. So you will see it here. So you simply need to add your link to the app. If you do not want that, you can simply delete that widget. Let's see if I do not add anything in the App Store URL and save it. Let's refresh it. You will not see the Apple Store icon here. And this is the new logo that we have just uploaded. The next widget is the footer 2. You will see the useful links. And this is actually a navigational menu. So we have different menus here. Go to menus. This is the primary menu, which you will see at the top. And you will see 2 more menus are created. This is the useful links and the top categories. So this menu is used in the footer. Let's go to the third column. And in the third column, we have top categories. This is the second menu. And for the fourth column, we have subscribe, form, and the social icons. So these are the widgets you will see in the left hand side. If you want to add any of these widgets, you can simply drag and drop here. So you will see the social icons here. And this is the subscription form. So you can customize the footer section. Let's go back. Here we have Directorist listing sidebar. This is the quick info. So you will see the listing sidebar here. Let me go to one of the listing. And here you will see the sidebar for the listing. If I go to the widgets, you will see all these options: salary, job title, open position, location, deadline, and this is the title here. And this is the website link. Now we still need to add the logo at the top. So what I'm going to do, so let's go to the home page. Let's go to customize. Now here you will see site identity. Click on it, and here from here you can change the logo of your website. So I'm going to click on change logo, and I'm going to upload a new logo. So I have some simple logo here, so I'm going to select that one. So if you have your own logo, you can upload your logo from here and add that logo here. So I'm going to skip cropping. So this will be the new logo here. Let's go back. You can see the menus here. Home page setting is already there. So you don't need to make any other changes. You can change the logo from here, and this is how it will look. Let's click on publish. Refresh the website. And we have got our new logo here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this website on another browser, and I'm going to try to add new listing. So let's open this website in another browser. Now remember, I'm not logged into the website here in this browser. I'm going to add new job listing, and while adding the job listing, I'm going to make a purchase of the package. I'm going to create a new user for the website. So here the website is ready. You can see all the listings on the website. Let's click on post jobs. So now I'm trying to post a new job as an employer. So before posting a job, I need to select a package. So we have 3 different packages here: the basic, standard, and the enterprise. So I'm going to select the basic one and click on continue. It is asking me to enter the details of the job. So I'm going to add some dummy details to create a job listing. From here I can select the category. It will be design, development, and I can select multiple categories. Technology. Tag, I can create tags or I can leave it as it is. Excerpt. So this is the excerpt. Address, let's add some address here. I'm going to add, say, New York, USA. Or you can enter the coordinates, hide the map, location. So from here I'm going to select the location. We have created different locations, so I'm going to select one of them. And requirements, so I can enter some requirements. So these are the requirements I have mentioned here. The salary will be, let's say, $2,000 to $3,000 depending on the work. Deadline will be, let's say, 15th of July 2023. Open position, how many positions are there? I have 3 positions. This will be freelance work. You can select different types of job titles: full-time, part-time, freelance, remote, contract. So I'm selecting freelance. And payment period will be hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. So I'm going to select monthly. Here I need to enter the email address. I'm going to add the dummy email address here. And I'm going to check the boxes. I agree to privacy and policy, terms and condition, and I'm going to click on save and preview. All right, so this is how my job listing will look. This is the title. These are the requirements. You can see the requirements in the bullet points. Location, the author info. This is the name of the employer, and this is the email address of the employer. We have not created the profile yet. And this is the quick info, the salary, job type, positions, location, and the deadline. Now let's click on continue. Now I'm not the registered user, so it is going to ask me to pay for the package. Your order details are given below. Please review it and click on proceed to payment. And here you will see 3 different types of payments that I can use: bank transfer, PayPal, and Stripe. So right now I have not entered any details for the Stripe or the PayPal, so I'm going to use the bank transfer, which is an offline. So if you are running online business, I'll prefer not to use the bank transfer. For the demo purpose, I'm using the bank transfer. Click on pay now. And as it is bank transfer, it is not going to verify anything. It will simply show the message that please make your payment directly to our bank account. So these are the bank account details which we already saw under the theme settings. If I go here, monetization, offline gateway settings. So here you can mention your bank account name, account number, bank name, everything you can mention here. Let's go back. So I think the order has been completed. So let's go to view your listing. So I have created a new user using the bank transfer payment, and as of now it shows the listing is pending because it is under review. And here I can see the account details. I have one listing, my profile, bookmark, announcement, everything will be shown here. So we have one listing here. If I want to add new listing, I can create new listing under this account. If I go here, this is all listing, published, pending, expired. So right now the listing is still pending. Now let's go back to the admin dashboard and let's go to the listings here. Let me close all the other pages. Now we are logged in as admin here, and you will see the newly created job listing. The status of this listing is still pending. We need to review the job listing. So I'll go to quick edit and I want to publish this one. So I'm going to select published and update. So we have approved this job listing. And here if I go to users, I can see new user registered. So this is the new user, John. Now under directory listing, if I go to order history, now under order history, you will see the newly placed order. This is the newly placed order, 6.47. So you can select this one. Right now it shows inactive, so you can select this one, and from drop down you can select completed. So once you receive the payment, you can mark it as completed, and you will see the basic plan is active for this user. Now let's go to the all listings, and this is the newly created job listing. So I'm going to click on quick edit, and I'm going to change it to published. So we have reviewed this job listing and we are going to mark it as published. Let's go back to the dashboard of the user and refresh it, and you will see that this job listing is approved and it is published. Let's go to the job listings, and from here if I filter freelance, search filter, and you will see the newly created job listing here under freelance. So if I click on it, you will see the details of the job listing that we created. You will see the details here. If you want to edit this listing, you can simply click on edit, and you can edit the listing from here. Go to packages. You will see the basic package is active for this user, and user can have 10 listings, out of which they can mark one as the featured listing. If I go to order history, you will see the details of the order. Let's go back to the admin dashboard here. Now let's go to directory and settings, and here you will see the general setting that we saw before. Can user renew the listing? Yes. So once the listing is expired, it will get trashed automatically, it will get deleted automatically. Let's go to review. Enable review. Allow your customer, user or listing owners to share their review. Allow owner review. Allow guest review. Now this is the option approve immediately. Now if you do not want the user to wait for the approval of the job listing, you can enable this option approve immediately. So it is going to approve the listing immediately. So I'm going to use this one and click on save changes. So the admin do not need to review the job listing manually, and they do not need to approve the job listing manually. So it is going to be approved automatically. So these are the basic settings of the theme. You can create a job directory using this theme very easily. The settings are pretty basic. You just need to go through the settings. You just need to play with the settings, and you can customize the theme. You can change the pages, you can change the packages, and you can start listing jobs on your website. And the best thing is that you can use this theme for different types of directory listing. It is not only for the job directory listing. You can create many different types of directory website using this theme. I have shown you different types of directories that you can create using this theme. So this is all in one package, and you can use it for n number of websites. So if you want to buy this theme, you can use my link in the description box. If there is any discount or any coupon going on, I'll mention that in the description box. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.